Morning, y'all. So, look at what you're building. You're either an expert, you're building an information expert business, or you're looking at building a scale VC-backed type of startup. And whichever one of those you're building, you need the right frameworks in place. So if you're building an information marketing business, you can pick up a copy of, Russell Brunson's Expert Secrets, or if you're doing the VC-backed route, looking at more of a pure customer development thing, then, go and pick up a copy of Steve Blank and his Startup Owner's Manual. But get the frameworks in your head, like whichever one it is that you're building. Like, get the books, get the literature, and make sure the frameworks are in your head. Because once they're in your head, then you can see the big picture, and that is only ever a good thing for you, your team, and all of the stakeholders involved. Whether you're a solopreneur and it's your family or your friends that you're responsible for, or you have a duty to, really, or if you're building a bigger enterprise, then investors, colleagues, co-workers, and so on. So that's it. Get the relevant frameworks for what you're building in your head so that you can see the big picture and master that domain. Bye.